Namaste to everyone. Today I'm going to show you 7 mudras for 7 chakras. So there are 7 mudras to align your 7 chakras. If you practice these 7 mudras every day, you can align all the 7 chakra, and each chakra has a very much significance in our health. So in this video I'm going to talk about all 7 chakra mudras. So we will start with Mooladhara chakra or root chakra. So first mudra I'm going to demonstrate for root chakra, which is our Prithvi mudra. How to do Prithvi mudra or gesture of earth? You need to take your ring finger and touching to the tip of the thumb. So this is how you make the mudra, Prithvi mudra, and which you are going to keep on your knees, and you need to close your eyes, and a very important thing to smile all the time. You can practice this mudra 10 minutes with a smile, adopting some deep breathing practices or some dhyana or meditation you can do. But if you are having any anxiety or any depression, it's not allowed to do dhyan or meditation. Better you do some deep breathing practices in this mudra. So second chakra is Swadhisthana chakra or sacral chakra, and the second mudra is Varun mudra. How to do this mudra? So you need to join your little finger to the tip of the thumb, keeping other 3 fingers straight, and you keep this mudra down on your knees, keep your back straight, and same way you can do either 10 minutes meditation or 10 minutes deep breathing practices. So it is very important to keep a smile on the face. So this was our second chakra mudra. Our next chakra is Manipura chakra or solar plexus we call it. As it is the center of the Agni, so we form the Agni mudra. How to form the Agni mudra? Try to drop your ring finger to the base of the thumb, and thumb presses to this ring finger. This is we call Agni mudra. Form this mudra in the hand to balance your solar plexus or Manipura chakra. If you have any problem related to digestion, this mudra is very good for you. So you can just form this mudra 5 to 10 minutes in your hand. If you are separately doing this mudra, you are not going to do all the chakra mudras, then you can practice 15 to 45 minutes one mudra at a time. If you are going to do all the mudras together, then you can do probably 5 to 10 minutes each mudra. Let's shift to the next mudra, which is our Anahata chakra mudra. Anahata, the center of love. If any problem related to lungs or heart, we need to practice Anahata chakra mudra. What is Anahata chakra mudra? Anahata chakra is Vayu mudra. How to practice Vayu mudra? So you need to take your first finger, which is our index finger, and drop it to the base of the thumb and cover it with the thumb. After forming this mudra, you can keep it down on your knees, and same way 5 to 10 minutes you hold, or you can practice 15 to 45 minutes independently this mudra to take care of your heart chakra. Our next chakra is throat chakra, or we call it Vishuddhi chakra. So Vishuddhi chakra, if any problem related to throat, thyroid gland, voice box, windpipe, you can always practice this mudra. Or in general way, if you want to keep your this chakra healthy or aligned, you can practice your throat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra mudra. Which mudra it is? So for throat chakra, we form Akash mudra. Akash is our middle finger space element, which we are going to touch to the thumb. The tip of the middle finger we are going to touch to the tip of the thumb. Other 3 fingers are straight, keeping it down, and same way 5 to 10 minutes you will hold this mudra, and you will do some deep breathing practices or the dhyana or meditation. You can also adopt this mudra while doing your pranayama practice, so you don't need to sit separately for this mudra. Our next mudra is Agya chakra, Ajna chakra, or we call it third eye chakra. So this mudra is very beautiful, and this takes care of all the brain related or memory related issues. Also, if any problem related to nerves, neurons, nervous system, you can always practice this mudra. How to practice this mudra and which mudra it is? This is Hakini mudra. So Hakini mudra, how to perform this mudra? You need to take your both the hands and touch the fingertips to each other and form this mudra either at your throat center by touching the tip of the thumbs to the throat center, or simply you can keep it down and practice this mudra. Practice this mudra. This is very beautiful mudra. As per the acupressure therapy, we say each fingertip is having brain point. So if you join them, you balance right and left brain, and also you activate your brain. So form this mudra by keeping at the throat center, and you can practice 5 to 10 minutes or probably 15 to 45 minutes to gain independent benefit of this mudra. Our next mudra is our Sahasrara Chakra or Crown Chakra mudra. Sahasrara Chakra, the last chakra, the chakra of spirituality, where you just realize yourself, who you are. This is related to our dhyana or meditation. We call it dhyana mudra. So you need to perform dhyana mudra and sit in meditation 10 to 15 minutes every day. You can practice with all other 6 chakra mudras, or you can practice independently this dhyana mudra. How to perform dhyana mudra? Take both the hands facing towards the sky, and then keeping left hand up if you're a female. If you're a male, keep your right hand up and forming this mudra by touching the tip of the thumbs to each other. Now, as per the acupressure therapy, we say the tip of the thumb represents the pituitary gland point. So also you are touching to the pituitary gland point, which takes care of all the hormone system. So form this mudra and keep it down in your lap comfortably. Sit comfortably by keeping your back straight, a beautiful smile on your face, and meditate 5 to 10 minutes. The easiest way to do meditation is to focus on your breath. Always start any meditation where you bring your awareness to your breath. Start focusing on the breath, which is just going deep down in your abdomen, and with every inhalation, your abdomen little bulging out. With every exhalation, sinking in. Observe this breath for 10 rounds. Now slowly shift your focus to the chest area, and every time when you're inhaling normally, chest is slightly rising up. When you exhale, chest is sinking in. Observe this movement with the breath. Probably count 10 breaths at the chest area. Now slowly bring your attention to your throat area. Start observing the breath at your throat. Every time when you're inhaling, feel the breath passing through your throat. When you're exhaling, it is again passing through your throat. Observe the movement of the breath and count 10 breaths inside the throat. Now bring your attention towards your nostrils. Try to feel the breath inside the nostrils now. Feel every time when you are inhaling and exhaling, there is a gentle touch of the air at the walls of the nostrils. Count 10 breaths inside the nostrils. Now bring your attention to the center of your forehead. Try to visualize a point of the light exactly in the center of the forehead, and bring your all the focus and attention on this point and be there for a while. Now bring your attention at the top of the head. Feel the air at the top of the head. Feel the circle of the air at the top of the head. Connect with your Sahasrara chakra or crown chakra. Feel as if a white light fountain is flowing from top of the head. Connect yourself with that white light fountain, and you're getting surrounded in this light now, the light which is flowing out from the fountain. Feel as if there is a circle forming outside of your body, and you're getting surrounded in this white light. Feeling very comfortable, very secure, safe, sitting in white light. This is your aura. This is your aura. Feel your aura around you. Feel this protection of your aura, which protects you from the negativity from outside world. Now repeat inside in your mind your affirmations. Whatever way you want to affirm. I am completely happy. I am completely healthy. I am full of positivity. I am fearless. I am powerful. I am a pure, powerful soul. Feel the power of your soul within you. Feel the silence within you. Maintain it for a while. Now, whenever you're comfortable, slowly release your mudra. Rub your palms to each other. When they are little warm, you can keep the palms on your eyes by forming the cup with the palms. Inside, just blink your eyes several times and slowly slide your palms down and slowly open your eyes with a smile. So this was our beautiful meditation, which you can practice with any mudra forming in your hand in daily routine, and see the benefit of these mudras and this beautiful meditation. Thank you everyone.